Hey guys, Ellen Ochoa here. You probably have never heard of me, but as you might guess from what I'm wearing, I work for NASA. What makes me a world changer is I was the first Hispanic American female astronaut. I grew up in La Mesa, California, and went to San Diego State University, where I got a degree in physics in 1980. After I graduated from San Diego State University, I went on to graduate school at Stanford, where I studied electrical engineering. Electrical engineering would prove very beneficial to my future. While I was at Stanford, something historical happened. Sally Ride was the first female astronaut to go into space. When I heard about Sally Ride, it sparked some interest in me, and I thought, if she can do it, I can do it. After I received my doctorate, I went on to apply at NASA. NASA has a very highly competitive astronaut program, which means it's really hard to get into. So, in the meantime, I was researching optical information systems, such as lasers, holograms, and similar devices, which were used for robotic manufacturing. Object recognition technology also is super valuable for space exploration. During this time, I was able to be a co-inventor and patent, not one, not two, but 3 optical devices. In 1990, I was accepted to the NASA astronaut program, where I became a mission specialist. My advanced skills in robotics made me a very critical member of this team. In 1993, something amazing happened. I took my first trip to space. I was able to board the spaceship Discovery, and our mission was to study the effects of solar activity on Earth's atmosphere. As part of the study, I was able to release a research satellite using the robotic arm of the space shuttle. My next space flight was a year later on Atlantis, where I used a robotic arm this time to retrieve a satellite and bring it back. I was able to do 2 more trips to the International Space Station after this, which means I logged over 1,000 hours in space. Even though I'm still alive, I have now retired from the astronaut program. I am still a private pilot who loves to play her flute on the side. These days, I spend a lot of time in schools telling students about what it was like to spend time outside of Earth's atmosphere. I want to encourage all of them to set big goals. Something I always tell the schools I visit is reach for the stars, because I believe a good education can take you anywhere from Earth and beyond.